Germany will place Algeria, Morocco and Tunisia on the list of safe countries of origin, meaning their nationals would have little chance of claiming asylum. German Chancellor Angela Merkel has come under fierce pressure in recent months to reverse her open arms policy to those fleeing war and persecution, including opposition from within her own conservative camp. Finland, meanwhile, joined Sweden on Thursday in announcing plans to deport tens of thousands of failed asylum seekers. The two Nordic countries are both struggling to cope with an influx of refugees and migrants, receiving amongst the highest numbers of arrivals per capita in the EU.